guys, it's Ereshva from KV3 Jaipur. So today we'll do yoga. So for doing yoga, I want one point for you. That was when you do yoga, there was so many asanas. So you do every asana when you have to relax them. So after every asana, take a break of 10 seconds. So you can relax, you feel that I'm relaxed. And this yoga asanas are very good and very funful. So you always do this. So let's begin with it. So first asana we'll do. So take your one leg to back, one leg to front. This is a V. And then front leg you have to rotate this. So yeah, you have rotated it. Then do namaskar like this. We will do namaskar. Then do, and then go backwards with the namaskar and your wrist. So next is like this only, next side also. So yeah, I have done it. So next you have to take one arm like this, and then one like this, the another like this, and you have to rotate your wrist like this and backward. Okay, so just yeah, it's my wrist, so my wrist is rotated. So how much you can rotate, you have to rotate like about. So yeah, I've rotated. And now took your hands on your wrist and do like this. It's too good. Every children like this. Then next, and clockwise you have to do. So now sit down, and just what we have to do, just took your hands like this and clutch it, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Like in a PT we do like this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. PT for like a bird. So you have to do like a bird only with your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, it's 10. And now you have to do like this. Every person have to do this. It's so relaxable because this finger and one thumb. Oh. You have seen that while I'm singing Om, so I'm singing O, my breath is coming out, and when I am singing the ma, so it is the breath coming in. So yeah, and one more exercise I have for you. It's good for your nose. So like this only, but this finger and this. It's too funny, but I love it. So yeah, let's. And next, I want to tell you that if you want to be healthy, funful, enjoyable, so you have to do yoga because it's too fun, it's too enjoyable. And if you do yoga now, so you become healthy, and you feel that yeah, how much we are relaxing. So every day you do yoga. It's very simple and very easy for every person. Some asanas are not, but if you do yoga first time, so you have to do easy asanas. That was very easy. So these asanas you can do, which I have shown you. So bye bye.